What if I told you this floating shelf has no visible screws or supports? Take a closer look at how it's built. First, the base is assembled with ceramic and cement, but the trick is using that same base as a pressure mold. Once dry, a top piece is placed to provide the finish, and all the edges are covered with surgical precision. It's even sanded, the joint is concealed, and it's painted to look like a single solid piece. You wouldn't even notice it with an X-ray. These types of finishes aren't seen in normal homes, and you saw it for free on the internet. Follow the channel for more tricks that look like construction wizardry.